Welcome to another episode of Tech Unlocked. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating tool that's transforming how we extract text from various documents, the Kreuzberg Library for Python. Let's explore what makes this library a game changer for developers and anyone working with text extraction. You know, it's funny. When we think about document processing, our minds often jump to complex solutions that require extensive configuration or hefty dependencies in the cloud. But Kreuzberg throws that idea out the window. Picture this: a clean API that's simple, hassle-free, and designed for local processing. No external API calls necessary. Doesn't that sound refreshing? Now let's talk about resource efficiency. Kreuzberg is lightweight. You don't need a supercomputer with a GPU to run it. Just minimal dependencies with all the power and flexibility you need. And it supports a wide range of formats, whether it's PDFs, Microsoft Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or even images. Kreuzberg handles them all. Just imagine, instead of spending hours fiddling with different tools to get text from a PDF or an image, you can streamline these processes with Kreuzberg's unified async interface. It's perfect for developers focusing on retrieval-augmented generation applications as well, which is all the rage right now. So how does it actually work? Well, it integrates with some powerful libraries. For PDF processing, it uses PDF-IM2 for searchable content and Tesseract OCR for scanned content. This means that even if you stumble upon a beautifully crafted image PDF, Kreuzberg has your back. It'll intelligently decide when to extract text directly or apply OCR. And here's something interesting. If you ever tried recreating a Word document from an image file, you know how tricky that can be. But with Kreuzberg, you can simply feed in the image or PDF, and it takes care of the rest. You'll get that extracted text without the headache. Let's not forget the versatility of this library either. It can handle numerous document types, from EPUB and LaTeX to different image formats like JPEG and PNG. Seriously, the list goes on. For someone working in academia or any kind of research-heavy field, you can extract text from Jupyter notebooks, spreadsheets, or even bibliographic data formats like BibTeX. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for all your text extraction needs. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, that sounds great, but how do I even get started? Installation is painless. Just install the Python package, slap on a couple of system dependencies, like Pandoc for document conversion and Tesseract for OCR, and you're good to go. It's designed to be straightforward right from the get-go, perfect for both seasoned pros and those who might just be starting out in the programming world. Quick question for you. Have you ever faced issues with OCR accuracy in your projects? It can be notoriously finicky, right? Kreuzberg offers configurable options for fine-tuning the performance of extraction. You can specify different languages for Tesseract, control how pages are segmented during processing, and even batch process multiple files at once. As a developer, you can choose to use async or sync APIs for text extraction. I mean, can you imagine processing dozens of documents concurrently without worrying about bottlenecks? It's like having a superpower when you're swamped with work. And here's the kicker. Kreuzberg doesn't just extract text, it also provides robust error handling. If anything goes awry, you'll get useful context to help you debug the issue without leaving you in the dark. That's such a relief, especially in complex projects. Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to summarize what we've uncovered today. Kreuzberg is not just an innovative Python library. It's a sleek, powerful tool that makes document text extraction more efficient and accessible. From its lightweight nature and extensive format SUP